presenting from SET Kesrimal Purval College Kamti. My topic name is Systematic Study of Antifungal Property of Different Leaves and Their Phytochemical Analysis, presented by me, Dr. Neha Jagannath Deshettiwar. Work performed by Ms. Harsha Vadibasme, guided by Dr. Neha Jagannath Deshettiwar, co-guide Dr. Alok Rai Sir, Mr. Suraj Kombe Sir, and Dr. Ritika Thakre Ma'am. The content used in this study: introduction, aims and objective, methods and material, collection of plants material, preparation of plant extract, result, discussion and conclusion. In the introduction, the medicinal plants are important to cure different diseases in human being from beginning of human history. Wood apple, Chinese apple and custard apple used in our study. Plants are very useful to develop healthy life for human being. Systematic study of antifungal property of leaf of wood apple, Chinese apple and custard apple leaves helpful for the mankind in this pandemic situation. The scientific name of the Chinese apple, Ziziphus maritima, and commonly it is known as the Indian jute-bur. The leaves of the Chinese apple are eaten with the cashew as an astringent. The scientific name of the custard apple is the Ananas pomace and local name is sweet apple. Various parts of this plant are traditionally used for the treatment of many disorders. Wood apple is included in the family Limoniaceae acidissima. Local name of the wood apple is the elephant apple. The leaf of wood apple is used as a remedy for the vomiting, indigestion and dysentery. Antifungal assay, agar veil diffusion method was used to perform antifungal activity tests. Aspergillus niger and Candida albicans was used in this study. The aims and objective was to prepare leaf extract of wood apple, custard apple and Chinese apple. Phytochemical analysis to study antifungal property. Method and material: SDA, agar, nutrient broth, ethanol, acetone and distilled water. These are the things are used for the method and materials, and phytochemical analysis was done on alkaloid, carbohydrate, glycoside, softenin, amino acid, flavonoid, tannin, phenol, terpenoid, steroid was performed. Antifungal activity also performed. The collection of plant material was collected from the campus of the SKP Purval College Kamti and proceed for extraction for further study. The preparation of plant extract. All leaves were washed with the help of water and dried in shade at room temperature. Dried leaf powder was extracted with the ethanol and acetone. By using apparatus, we obtained dark green extract. This extract was concentrated and stored in the reagent bottle. This extract was used for the further study. Result as shown: phytochemical analysis of acetone and ethanol extraction of wood apple was shown in front of this. The second one is the phytochemical analysis of acetone and ethanoic extract of Chinese apple, and the phytochemical analysis of the acetone and ethanol of custard apple. Then further the antifungal activity result has given. In this, the wood apple show the high inhibition on 100 microgram per ml of ethanol extract and moderate on acetone extract of 100 microgram per ml. For the custard apple, the show high inhibition on 100 microgram per ml of acetone extract and moderate on ethanol extract of 100 microgram ml per ml. And in the Chinese apple, they show high inhibition on 100 microgram per ml of ethanol extract and moderate acetone extract of the 100 microgram ml. In the discussion, the Mazid et al. In 2012 investigated on medicinal plant in rural India. In our study also, the reported justified that these plants, wood apple, Chinese apple and custard apple, have medicinal property which improve our immunity against bacterial, viral and fungal infection in pandemic disease. R.W. Busman et al. In 2010 reported about the herbal mixture in traditional medicine in northern Peru. Our study also shows the wood apple, Chinese apple, and custard apple has hereby herbal activity. In earlier study, the Goyal and the Sini in 2012 and 2006 has shown the pharmacological activity and phytochemical activity on Chinese apple. Same as in our study shows that acetone extraction of Chinese apple exhibit maximum growth as compared to ethanolic extraction. As reported by the T.S. Raj in 2009, the hepatoprotective effect of the alcoholic extract of the custard apple leaf on experimentally induced liver injury in swine mice. In our study, ethanolic extraction of custard apple shows maximum phytochemical as compared to Chinese apple and wood apple. According to Pandian, the various antifungal activity of traditional medicinal plant from Tamil Nadu, India. Similar results were recorded in a study that antifungal activity against Niger and Candida albicans. In the conclusion, the medicinal plant are a rich source of knowledge in the modern science. Due to new emerging disease and treat of upcoming pandemic disease, it is essential to study the medicinal property of plant. Ethanolic extraction of wood apple and Chinese apple exhibit maximum growth than acetone extract. In custard apple, acetone extract exhibit maximum growth than ethanolic extract. All these plants shows phytochemical known for medicinal property and antioxidant. Wood apple and Chinese apple found to be more effective against Candida albicans, whereas the custard apple found to be more effective against aspergillus. However, it was found that custard apple is also effective against Candida albicans. The result of the comparative study of these three plants indicates that the custard apple exhibit maximum growth in both ethanolic and acetone extraction than Chinese and wood apple. This study shows that these three plants have the antifungal property against Aspergillus niger and Candida albicans. A Chinese apple is rich in vitamin C. It is useful to improve immunity to fight against the disease and improve immunity. The current study shows great hope for control and cure of the fungal disease. Thank you.